क्वेश्चंस हैं ऑब्वियसली वो करंट से तो पुट अप होंगे कि क्या हुआ, देयर आर हाई चांसेस, बट मे फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम देयर वाज लार्जेस्ट अटेंडेंस. On behalf of Pathshala classes, I, Vaibhavi Batra, welcomes you all to our online CLAT marathon series for the upcoming CLAT UG 2024. Today is lecture 17 of our online CLAT marathon, and जो आज हम topic discuss करेंगे, it's a very proud moment of India कि ये हमारे country में हुआ, and it happened on 9th and 10th of September on the weekend in the national capital of India, that is Delhi. So let's start. So आप समझ ही गए होंगे क्या है. Obviously G20, it's a big milestone. History was created, and ये हमारे इंडिया के लिए honestly speaking, and it is really a big moment, a big historical moment. So before starting and jumping कि what happened in G20 summit of 2023, we'll start with the background of G20 because जो questions हैं obviously वो current से तो put up होंगे कि क्या हुआ, there are high chances, but then there are chances कि उसका background से भी put up हो सकता है कि how it formed. Okay, so let's start. Also the biggest achievement was ये G20 अब G21 हो गया है. Okay, because African Union was added, officially added as a member. G20 Summit 2023. Background जान लेते हैं. So basically G20 का जो foundation हुआ था, it happened because of the Asian financial crisis between when? During which year? During, wait, I'll change the color, yes. During the year of 1997 and 1998. The group of 20 or G20 was founded in 1999 following the financial crisis of 1977 and 98 Asian financial crisis. And the Asian financial crisis ने ये realize करवाया that now there is a need that if any country is in need of financial help, then the borders should be broadened and there should be a proper setup and help through which they can get help. Economic help. So basically some major reason start होने का finance basis पर ही था. Okay. It was then, पहले, now it's a proper formal group. Earlier it was an informal forum for the finance ministers and central bank chiefs of the most important industrialized and developing economies to discuss issues related to the global economy and finance. Over the next decade, the group of 20 was upgraded. पहले तो ये किससे आया? Finance ministers and central bank chiefs. फिर after 10 years, it got upgraded to the level of heads of states or government in the wake of the global financial crisis, and eventually designated the premier forum for international economic cooperation. जब ये स्टार्ट हुआ तो ये क्या था? इकोनॉमिक मिनिस्टर्स के लिए था एंड सेंट्रल बैंक के हेड्स के लिए था, चीफ्स के लिए. ओके, अब फिर आफ्टर 10 इयर्स स्टेट हेड्स आ गए इसमें, इसकी पोजीशनिंग पे, और द गवर्नमेंट. ठीक है. Then only treasury chiefs met as a part of G20 grouping in the initial years. However, heads of all member nations decided later on to meet once a year for a leaders summit after the global financial crisis of 2008. Okay, 2008 के जो financial crisis हुए, उन्होंने फिर ये observe किया कि now we should meet once a year, every year, and जो proper जो formal summit हुई थी for the first time, it happened here. Okay. Then the first G20 summit was held in 2008 in कहाँ हुई थी ये? Washington DC में, the United States, which would set the scene for most dramatic reform of the global finance in over 60 years. At the follow-up summit in 2009, next summit कब हुई थी? ये तो फर्स्ट समिट हो गई इसकी. फर्स्ट समिट हुई थी वॉशिंगटन डीसी, सेकेंड हुई थी लंदन 2009 में. The UK, the G20 agreed to blacklist states that refuse to cooperate on efforts to tackle tax evasion and avoidance. And the third summit हुई थी पिट्सबर्ग में. This is third. तो आपको याद रखना है, क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं फर्स्ट समिट या सेकेंड या थर्ड समिट कहाँ हुई थी. The third meeting of the bloc also took place in 2009. ये भी 2009 में थी and established the G20 as a major decision-making body on matters relating to the global economy. Okay. अब करंट स्टेटस क्या है G20 की बॉडी का, ये जान लेते हैं. ठीक है. The group of G20 is the premier forum for international economic cooperation. The G20 bloc, which accounts for more than 4/5 of the world's gross domestic production, that is GDP, and 3/4 of international trade, plays a vital role in strengthening the economy's global architecture and the governance of all major international economic issues. The group of 20 has, अब कंट्रीज के नेम जानते हैं, अर्जेंटीना, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, ब्राज़ील, कनाडा, चाइना, फ्रांस, जर्मनी, इंडिया, इंडोनेशिया, इटली, जापान, साउथ कोरिया, मेक्सिको, रशिया, सऊदी अरेबिया, साउथ अफ्रीका, टर्की, द यूनाइटेड किंगडम, द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स एंड द यूरोपियन यूनियन as its members. Each G20 presidency invites other guest countries and international organizations to participate in the G20 meetings and G20 summit. Okay. Also अब ये G21 हो गया है. in 2023 के summit में African Union was formally added. Okay, so also this is a history which was again created in India. Okay. This year is a year of milestones for our country, I think. Now, yes. Key takeaway. अब हम आते हैं अपने टॉपिक पे, द मेजर, मतलब जो अभी जी समिट में हुआ है. ठीक है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इंडिया में जो G20 हुआ है, इसमें फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम देयर वाज largest attendance, highest number of attendance of officials and state heads from the other countries. Okay, so this is a big achievement for us. So G20 nations agreed, पहले हम start करते हैं कि they agreed that states cannot grab territory by force and highlighted the sufferings of the people of Ukraine, but avoided direct criticism of Russia for the war, जो यूक्रेन का war चल रहा है. The declaration was seen as an apparent softening from the position that G20 took last year when it condemned Russia for the war and demanded that it withdraw from Ukraine. The 55-member African Union, ये मैंने आपको बताया था, it was formally added, made a permanent member of G20 on par with the European Union in order to make the grouping more representative. Until now, सिर्फ अभी तक साउथ अफ्रीका थी, पर अफ्रीकन यूनियन नहीं थी. अब अफ्रीकन यूनियन भी ऐड हो गई है, मेकिंग इट G20 से हो गए हैं हम G21. ओके. लीडर्स ऑफ द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स, इंडिया and Saudi Arabia, among others, announced plans to set up rail and port links between the Middle East and South Asia and eventually ally to Europe, which US President Joe Biden said was a real big deal. The G20 latest agreed to pursue tripling renewable energy capacity globally by 2030 and accepted the need to phase down unabated coal and power, but stop short setting of major climate goals. India launches, इसी के रिलेशन में India has launched a global biofuel alliance, ठीक है, advancing towards sustainable green energy and cutting emissions. For Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the leadership of G20 has been a year-long opportunity to showcase as an influential diplomatic and economic power and drive investments, trade flows into the world's most populous country. So it is indeed an achievement, big achievement for us. अब इस समिट की सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड सबसे अगेन अ वेरी हिस्टोरिक मोमेंट फॉर अस पे आते हैं. So in G20 2023 a declaration was adopted that is Delhi Declaration, and it is the first declaration जो first time कोई भी declaration unanimous vote से adopt हुआ है. The highest number of unanimous vote से Delhi Declaration adopt हुआ है. तो हम जानते हैं कि Delhi Declaration है क्या. With consensus alluding on the paragraph relating to the Ukraine conflict, India circulated on Friday a draft summit declaration among the member countries without the paragraph on the geopolitical issue in an attempt to hammer out a positive outcome. The declaration places emphasis on strong, sustainable, balanced and inclusive growth. The New Delhi Leaders Declaration stated that the G20 member countries are dedicated to promoting unrestricted, open and fair trade in the fields of agriculture, food, fertilizers, with a commitment to refrain from imposing export restrictions. The G20 nations agree to remain committed to the strengthening of global health architecture. Countries will enhance resilience on the health system and support the development of climate resilient and low carbon health systems in collaboration with multilateral development banks. In New Delhi Declaration emphasized the necessity of aligning the financial flows with the climate objectives, while expanding financial capacity building and technology transfer with a focus on the priorities of the needs of the developing countries. Highlights जान लेते हैं quickly क्या है इसके. वो हमने basic in depth जाना कि what was the purpose goal of the Delhi Declaration. The document mentions that all states must refrain from threat or use of the force to seek territorial acquisition against the territory, integrity and sovereignty or political independence of any state. So this is basically ये हमने उसका की highlight में भी पढ़ा था G20 के. It's a part of it. The declaration mentioned that terrorism constitutes one of the most serious threats to international peace and security. All acts of terrorism, criminal and unjustifiable regardless of their motivation, wherever, whenever or by whomever they are committed. The document emphasizes protecting the vulnerable through promoting equitable growth and enhancing macroeconomics and financial stability. The declaration focuses on strong and sustainable growth, accelerating progress and sustainable development goals of Green Development Pact, and reinvigorating multilateralism. Okay. Apart from this, apart from this, a very good initiative was taken. So I think on one of the days, the presidential dinner, when it happened, the full menu was of millet. Because see, 2023 is a millet year, so also it is a very good initiative by our whoever basically set the menu to be a millet-based menu. That is also very nice. तो अगर हम इसको conclude करते हैं तो हम ये बोलेंगे G20 2023 के एक तो obviously sustainable development, climate change, then we have terrorism के साथ और green development, and इन सबको बैलेंस आउट करने के लिए financial management. These all things were considered. Indeed, Brazil is going to hold the next summit. Next summit would be known as G21 summit, and Mr. Narendra Modi has passed the gavel to Lula da Silva. Okay, and that's all for today. I hope you liked today's video and everything was clear. आपको PDF के फॉर्म में नोट्स शेयर किए जाएंगे इन द लिंक. Also, if you like us, do subscribe us. We'll be getting back with more legal happenings, current happenings. Thank you. Have a good day.